Yeah, it's recording.
Can I see?
It's recording. See, we're right here in the garage.
I see it.
All right, here we go.
They're not up really high enough.
They're gonna find her, I guess.
Dude, you gotta go up like double that.
Maybe like right there?
No.
No, I don't know if we can go that high.
You think you could reach the stratosphere?
I don't even go that high. Oh, I don't know how that looks.
Got it.
That was a pretty good one, dude.
Can you see?
You can see this cloud of sparks. Here, do another one.
Okay. You want to try to position it right on top of it?
Yeah, I'm gonna go. I'll come forward. A little. Here, you get it ready, and I'll bring it above it.
We were just sitting out, waiting on the fireworks getting dark, and we just saw all these lights in the air.
Whoa! I'm ready for you. I'm literally right above you. Whoa! Just underneath it, man.
Yeah.
That's a good one. Yeah, we're going. Wow!
We were up too high.
Whoa! That was a magnificent.
Hot.
What's that?
Tell me when.
I think we're ready. Go for it. Go for it.
Fight your butt.
It's not getting them. It's not getting it. It's not getting it.
Head up. Yeah. Oh.
That's awesome. Oh. Wow, how did you can go, dude?
Fight your butt.
Nice.
You were 234 feet high?
Yeah.
No, you're only 100 feet, right?
That's how far I am from where we are.